crumbles that are coming into the salad. I should probably try one.
Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Trader Joe's Veggie and Greens Salad Kit. Crisp and crunchy blend veggies including cauliflower and Brussels sprouts with radicchio, kale, dry pear crumbles. Ooh, that's interesting. Pistachios and honey ginger dressing. Complete salad kit, thank you. The price is $3.99. Nutrition facts and ingredients. It contains soy and pistachio. It's a nut. I think I might be able to open it. Maybe not. So let's take it to the counter. I'll be camera woman, I think, and let's cut this bag open.
I'm camera woman. Here comes the salad. And that's the ginger, sorry. And that's the dry pear crumbles. They look like dried apricots, but okay. Yeah, I could zoom. Let me zoom out. And here are the dried pear crumbles that are coming into the salad. I should probably try one. Let's see how it tastes. You're right. I mean, I'm right. It is just dry apricots. I love dried apricots myself, so. Dressing. Alright, we'll stir this together and I'll see you back at the table.
I am back and let's taste the salad. You're eating with your hands, Daddy. How messy. And you dropped some. Very messy. Be very mannerful. Best salad in Trader Joe's. The best. It is gingery, but I love it. 4.5. I love it. A very big cauliflower. My dad doesn't like ginger either, but he loves this. Don't eat the rest of the salad. My mom needs to eat them too. My mom does not like ginger. I think she might like it. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown silicone pad table. And I'll see you guys again in my videos. Bye!